Hey everyone, my name is LaPrade. I am a junior here at Purdue University and I'm studying computer engineering. And so I want to talk a little bit more about my major and sort of what opportunities are available when you're deciding. So the reason why I chose my major is because when I was really young, I just really loved computers and that was just sort of the career path that I wanted to do. But I know a lot of students are really confused between computer engineering and computer science. And so one thing that distinguishes computer engineering is that you get to learn a little bit more about the hardware than you would in computer science. And so if you're really interested in the computer, like physically and how the hardware works, then I think computer engineering might be a better fit for you. And one thing I like about first year engineering is that they introduce you to all the different majors available at Purdue. So it helps you get a better idea of the kind of work that you're going to be doing. They give you introductory videos on all the different engineering majors that are available, as well as sessions that are with representatives from those majors, either students or faculty, that give you an intro to the kind of curriculum that you're expected to take, as well as sort of the opportunities that are available. And so I think FYE gives you a really good opportunity to just see how all the majors work. The kinds of projects and hands-on work I've done in ECE, it's mainly been in lab. You use a breadboard, which is a very simple circuit builder and you use that to test circuits that you learn in class. And the equipment that you use to test them are directly correlated to industry. I mean, those are basically industry equipment that you're expected to use. And so they give you a real world application on sort of how the circuits work, as well as the equipment that you're expected to use in your career. And another thing, like more hands-on work that you can do is that since ECE is really adaptable in any application in engineering, you really have a home somewhere, anywhere. For me, I do the electronics on a rocket team, and so most of the people in the club are in aeronautics and astronautics, but they also need some ECE people to be able to do the electronics, and so you really have a home anywhere in engineering. And so hands-on work is really something that's easy for you. In terms of research co-ops and internships, I've personally been doing internships. This summer I'm at a tech corporation, mainly doing software work, but the work that I'm doing involves looking into servers and their data centers and analyzing potential outages. So a good understanding of the hardware is necessary for the work I'm doing. And so I think that's really cool with computer engineering is that you get to learn the hardware, and so that's really applicable to what you want to do in your career. The favorite class I've taken so far is Intro to Digital Design. That's ECE 270. It gives you a bird's eye view on circuit logic and how the computer process works. You get to develop your own system in lab that implements the logic you learn in class, and the instructor for ECE 270 is just really engaging and really wants you to succeed. And that's sort of the favorite thing about my major is that the faculty there are really there to help you and they really want you to succeed. And they also give you a lot of opportunities. ECE has a program called VIP, Vertically Integrated Projects, that gives you opportunity to work with a professor for academic credit on a research project that they're doing. And so you get to take class as academic credit, but you also get to have research experience and you can put that on your resume, which is really cool. Another thing is that ECE also has its own career fair, and so you're able to get internship opportunities just because you're an ECE student, and so that's really cool. And I think one thing that I wish I knew about the major before coming to Purdue is just how real world applicable it is. I think that's the coolest thing about Purdue is that all the engineering majors that you have here are all trying to get you ready for your career. They try to bring in as much real world application as possible in your major, in your classes. So I think that's one thing that makes Purdue different from all the other places, and I think that's really cool. So thanks everyone.